This is going to be your complete guide on how to start affiliate marketing without a following in 2026. So if you have literally zero social media followers and no social media, don't worry, you can still make a full-time income with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you real examples of that in today's video. Quick overview of what we're going to cover today. First, the truth about social media followers and affiliate marketing in 2026. How do they relate? How necessary are they? Second, how to build a six-figure plus affiliate business starting with zero followers and without needing to become an influencer dancing on TikTok. You can even do this faceless. And lastly, I'm going to reveal the affiliate operating system keyword research method that has earned me over 7 figures in affiliate commissions. You get to see how a pro does it today, so stay tuned. Real quick, if you're brand new to the channel, who am I? Why am I qualified to teach you? I go by ODI Productions. I have over 10 years of affiliate marketing experience with over $1 million in affiliate earnings. I run this YouTube channel with 280,000 subscribers, and I'm the host of the Affiliate Marketing Millionaire Podcast, a top US entrepreneurship podcast. I also help coach people to build six-figure plus affiliate marketing businesses. I have my interview here on YouTube with my client Tyler, who's earning over $8,000 a month. And I have an interview very soon with another one of my clients, Peggy, that earned over $5,000 profit per month last month and who has no social media following and only 500 subscribers, which she'll tell you in the interview. So be on the lookout for that. I also personally run 5-figure per month faceless affiliate marketing businesses and brands in 2025 and 2026. Here's one earning over $16,000 a month. I build these businesses using my system called the affiliate operating system. So if you're interested in me and my team installing the exact same 10K per month blueprint, I'm going to have a link in the description to a free training where I reveal every single one of these passive income streams that makes up my business. So check that out if you're interested. First link in the description. Okay, so let's talk about the truth about social media followers and affiliate marketing in 2026. Bottom line, social media followers is less relevant than ever before due to For You page algorithms. Now, if you watch a lot of YouTube and you have your homepage feed, or if you scroll on TikTok or Instagram on the For You page, which is the default, you will find out that most of the content you're being fed to isn't even people who you are following. Now, I've personally seen this myself. It has grown over time. And if you're a YouTube content creator, you know in your analytics that most of your views are not from your subscriptions or your subscribers that are literally subscribed to you on YouTube, but actually people who are just browsing YouTube on that homepage feed or in the suggested videos on the right-hand column. Now, why is this? Simply put, it's so that the social media algorithms and businesses can make more money, because instead of showing you just your following, which you may run out of content if you're just following a few people, they want to give you an endless, infinite supply of viral, addicting dopamine content to get you hooked, keep you scrolling for hours, watching more and more ads, making more money off of your attention. Now, here's the truth. There are influencers with over 1 million followers that are broke. And honestly, I've seen a number of videos, even from YouTubers. And you know, YouTube actually should be one of the higher earning social media platforms versus something like TikTok or Instagram. But even then, I've seen countless videos of YouTubers with hundreds of thousands, if not over 1 million subscribers, talking about their financial situation and how they are struggling. Some of them even opening up GoFundMes, which is insane if you have over 1 million followers. But honestly, this is the cold, hard reality that your subscribers don't pay the bills. You don't get paid for how many subscribers you have. You get paid for how many views you generate and the amount of money you make per view, which I'm going to show you the math very soon. But I just want to illustrate this by contrasting it with some of my clients with no social media and only 500 to 2,000 subscribers who are earning over $5,000 to $8,000 per month profit every single month. All right, so now I'm going to break down the real math behind being an influencer and affiliate marketing head to head. So let's start by talking about YouTube AdSense that pays around $2 to $4 per every 1,000 views on average. So a 1 million view viral video earns between $2,000 to $4,000. Now, that may sound like a good amount of money, but 1 million views is extremely hard to hit, especially multiple times. Trying to do that every single month it's next to impossible for the average person and channel. Now, to contrast that with affiliate marketing. So in this example, we're earning $20 per sale. Now, I chose $20 not because it is a super high commission. I have programs that pay me between $150 to $200 per sale, and I have clients that are earning anywhere from $20, $50, $100 per sale. I chose $20 because it's somewhere that is feasible. It's somewhere that's kind of in the middle. With Amazon Associates, obviously you could go even lower. If you sell something that's only $10 with a 3% commission rate, then you would earn 30 cents. So obviously affiliate marketing, it's such a wide range, but $20 per sale for this example. So you would need between 100 to 200 sales to earn that same $2,000 to $4,000. Now, if we apply a 1% conversion rate, which is about average, and for the content that we're creating, we are only attracting people who are potential buyers. So a 1% conversion rate, that means for every 100 views, one person is buying the product. It actually makes sense. This is about average. Sometimes conversion rates can be 2% to 5%. Now, you would only need 10,000 to 20,000 views to earn that same exact $2,000 to $4,000. Bottom line, you only need 1% of that 1 million views to earn the same amount of money. So I hope you can see the real math here on why affiliate marketing is just more efficient per view. Not to mention, with affiliate, we're not only making money from the affiliate sales, but we're also collecting that same AdSense in the first example. Just to drive the point home even more, the monetization is even worse with short form content. That example I gave you is 1 million views on a YouTube video that is at least 8 minutes long and has multiple ads played throughout the video. With YouTube Shorts, and this is also similar to TikTok, on the low end, you can earn as little as 1 cent per every 1,000 views up to 7 cents per 1,000 views. Now, if we take the overall average according to Google Gemini, which is 4-cent RPM, you would need to get 50 million YouTube Shorts views to make $2,000 or 100 million views to make $4,000. So I think you can see right now the math just ain't adding up. These numbers are next to impossible to hit for the average person. Now, another benefit of affiliate marketing is you can monetize your YouTube channel from day one. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you can still have an affiliate link in your description and earning you money from day one. No need to reach the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hours of watch time, which anyone who's achieved this will tell you it's not that easy. It takes time. So to summarize, the big shift we have to make is stop focusing on chasing followers that don't pay the bills. Start focusing on attracting buyers with purchase intent and the money to buy your affiliate products. So to illustrate this point, on screen, I'm showing you a sales funnel and I'm giving you an example of top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom of funnel content, because the closer you get to that bottom of funnel, that is the closest you'll get to making a sale with the highest conversion rate. So if we start at top of funnel content, what is someone looking up that's just at the top of funnel awareness phase? This would be a search term like, what is sleep tracking? Obviously, this person is not yet in the market for a specific brand or product. They just want to learn about a certain hobby or niche or problem. Moving on to middle of funnel content, this may be something like best sleep trackers. Now this person has shifted from just an awareness phase to, okay, I want to buy a sleep tracker. What are the best ones in the market? And then lastly, we have bottom of funnel content, which would be something like Aura Ring 4 review. This is a very specific brand plus model plus review format. This person already knows what sleep tracking is. Maybe they've actually looked at some of the competitors and now they are fixated and set on, should I purchase the Aura Ring 4 specifically? So when you start at the top of the funnel, it is going to be a wider mouth. It is going to be more people searching it up, because as you go further down the funnel, there's going to be less and less qualified people. But what this means is that they're going to have the highest conversion rates and the highest chance of making a sale, earning you commission. All right, so coming up next, I am going to show you my step-by-step method for how I build a 6-figure affiliate business without any followers and show you my keyword research technique. But the last thing I want to say about followers is they aren't a bad thing. They signal social proof, which instantly raises trust and leads to higher conversion rates and more sales. And you will naturally gain followers if you're providing value over time. Real quick, if you're enjoying this content and you're learning something useful, could you take a quick moment to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below letting me know I'm doing something right. Only takes a second, but really helps out the channel, helps me to make more content like this. Okay, so let's talk about how to build a six-figure plus affiliate business starting with 0 followers. Okay, we're gonna go through these steps and then I'm gonna show you my keyword research technique on screen here. So step 1, you have to choose a profitable niche. I released a video just a few weeks ago about my top 10 profitable niches, which are the ones I personally would choose in 2026 if I were trying to go from 0 to 10K a month. Step 2, build a brand that signals authority in that niche. So this is where you can actually separate your personal brand and you as a person in general from the business. When you create a brand, so this would be a domain name, a website, a YouTube channel, a logo, you effectively remove yourself from the business and the business can be bigger than you. Also, this is how you're actually able to do faceless affiliate marketing while not looking sketchy and actually building trust and authority. I also have a recent video talking about the 6 different ways to do faceless affiliate marketing in 2026. Make sure you check that video out. But the core of all of those 6 different methods is that you do have a brand that signals authority to someone who is a first-time viewer to either your YouTube channel or your website. Step 3 is to do keyword research to find the best products and opportunities to attract buyers with high purchase intent, which I'm going to show you really soon. And step 4 is creating high converting content via blog posts and YouTube videos that appear when someone searches for that keyword. Now, the big platforms we want to focus on here is Google SEO, YouTube search, and maybe a third platform like Pinterest search. You can also do this on something like TikTok and Instagram, but honestly, those platforms are more of the awareness phase as opposed to serious buyers who are ready with their wallets out right now. But this may change in the future thanks to something like TikTok Shop. All right, so I'm going to show you an example of keyword research here on my computer screen so you can get a concrete idea of how do we survey the land to find the best opportunities to do affiliate marketing. So I'm taking that top of funnel idea of just looking up the term sleep tracking. This has over 60,500 searches per month. That is absolutely massive. And already here from the first page of Google at the top 2 search engine results, we see best sleep trackers of 2026, expert approved wearables from sleepfoundation.org. And then we have Wirecutter, one of my favorite affiliate websites, the 2 best sleep trackers of 2026. So even though I said this is top of funnel, and depending how you type in this search term, the term I specifically used was what is sleep tracking, not just sleep tracking. But you can already see the affiliate opportunity here for this prime real estate with 60,000 plus searches a month. Okay, so I'm here in the Google autocomplete, and all I did was add a space to just get some autocomplete suggestions. And along with my keyword research tool, I can actually see these searches per month. So you can see 1,300 searches per month for sleep tracking bands. Someone is looking for an accessory here, or maybe they're looking for a product that goes around your wrist. Then we have sleep tracking ring, 12,100 searches per month. Sleep tracking device is 2.4K per month. Sleep tracking app is 18.1K per month. Now, as you saw with just sleep tracking, we have 60,500 searches per month. But if I go down to sleep tracking ring, I'm getting a little bit more specific. It goes down to 12,100 per month. Now, if I add the term best, you can see that best sleep tracking ring is down to just 590 searches per month. Now, before you run away and say 590 per month, man, what happened to the 60,000 searches per month? This is the natural way it works in any niche that I've ever come across. The more deep down the rabbit hole you go and have a long tail keyword. So for example, we were just looking up sleep tracking and sleep tracker. Now we're adding 2 more words. We have 4 words in this phrase, best sleep tracking ring. You should expect to see these search volume numbers to always go down the further down you go in the funnel, because these people are more likely to actually buy something versus someone just looking up sleep tracker or sleep tracking for the first time ever. And the other point I want to make here is 590 per month. This is actually underreported. All of these numbers are much lower than the actual searches per month because all of this is just an estimate. But if you think about it, you do not need to get thousands or even hundreds of sales per month from this one single search term to actually make a full-time living, because this is just going to be one blog post, one YouTube video out of hopefully hundreds of content that you're going to create over time. Now, interestingly, when I go to the bottom of funnel content for Aura Ring 4 review, we actually jump up to 8,100 searches per month. So obviously this is an extremely popular product. Now, what's insane is I'm here on the first page of Google and I'm looking at the top 3 search engine results. Number 1, Cosmopolitan. Okay, high domain authority site. Number 2, it's Reddit, of course. But at number 3, we have this site here that has a 47 out of 100 domain authority, which is really on the low end for such a competitive keyword such as this. I mean, it's literally ranking higher than Runner's World, which has an 86 out of 100 domain authority. It's like twice the authority. And then if you keep going, we have all of these YouTube videos. There's at least 3 videos here on the very first page. So really, this third result on page 1 of Google for Aura Ring 4 review absolutely jumps out to me as a prime example of what we're doing here with the affiliate operating system. I have a portfolio of affiliate websites and brands along with my clients that have even less domain authority than this 47 out of 100 that are competing and ranking on page 1 for very competitive and lucrative keyword opportunities in many different niches. And the thing is, we're not just doing blog posts, which clearly work in 2026, but we're also taking advantage of the fact that most of these big brands are not really doing YouTube well. But when you combine both the website plus the YouTube channel, you get 2 chances to rank for this high purchase intent keyword, making your content and your business that much more efficient. All right, so I hope that quick preview of how I'm doing keyword research and building these businesses that don't revolve around followers, I hope it was able to illustrate for you and make it clear. And I hope you learned something today. So if you did, again, if you can take a moment to hit the like button, comment below, subscribe for more content, it helps me to be consistent. And lastly, if you listen to this entire episode, it's clear you're someone who's dedicated about building a passive income business or side hustle in 2026. And I've personally coached people working a full-time 9-to-5 job to build 6-figure plus affiliate businesses as a side hustle. So if you're interested in me installing that same system for you and starting your business, whether it comes down to choosing the niche, building a brand, or doing this keyword research structure together, check out the free training in the description below. And lastly, I'm going to link an interview here with one of my client success stories so you can get a little inspiration. Good luck and keep building.